Ready to make money with Temu affiliate marketing even if your social media accounts look like a ghost town? First, sign up for the Temu affiliate program. It's free, and you'll get unique referral links for products you love. Next, dive into Temu and find products that genuinely excite you. Think about what your target audience would find irresistible, maybe trending fashion items, cool gadgets, or home decor. Now, create scroll-stopping content, forget polished ads. Instead, film short, authentic videos showcasing the product's features and benefits, and be genuine and relatable. Then, strategically repurpose your content across multiple platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and even Pinterest. Each platform has a unique audience, so tailor your message slightly for maximum impact. After that, use relevant hashtags to amplify your reach. Research trending tags related to your product and add them to your posts to get your content seen by more people. Remember to engage with your audience, respond to comments, answer questions, and create a sense of community around your recommendations. People are more likely to buy from someone they trust. Finally, track your results to see what's working and what's not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Pay attention to which products and platforms are driving the most clicks and conversions. Now go turn those Temu finds into serious cash.